boys and girls of class 10 students. Let's discuss about the unit 6 of your history lessons, Second World War in Manipur and post-war political development. During the Second World War, 1939 to 1945, Manipur also became one of the main theaters of the war in Southeast Asia. Second World War haibadi 1939 digina 1945 manungda soknakiba prithibigi ani suba lanjao sida Manipur su yamna maru oiba mapam oiki. In the First World War 1914 to 1919, Manipur participated on the side of the United Kingdom. Ahanba prithibigi lanjao dasu Manipur ase haibadi ahanba Manipur prithibigi lanjao Ahanba Pratibigi Lanjao 1914 to 1919 the Sogna Kiba Lanjao Shidasu Manipurna United Kingdom Yimisang the Leki Sar Sultan Singh the Maharaj of Manipur enthusiastically gave a fighter plane, a double company of Manipuri soldiers and 11 corps of 2,000 tribals for service in France. Mantamdugi Manipur ki Maharaja Iningthau Sar Sultan Singh British ki misangda Manipur ki Lanmi company ani aduga labor corps thabak sunanaba isininaw chingda labor tribal sing mi lesing ani amasu France ta British ki damak thabiki. In the last years of the war, Anisu Balanjang Tongna Kibigi Aroy Sahida, the Kuki revolted but were suppressed after 2 years of military operations. Anish Ahan Balanjao Sigi Loyam Daisida Manipur Labor Isinino Kuki Singna British Kimayoti Iho Horaki Adabu Kaina Konatanga British Sarkar Madunam Taki. The Kuki's Rebellion 1917 to 19. And the Kuki punitive measures were recognized as a part of the First World War. The contemporary world was interrelated. The war in Europe and elsewhere had effect on an isolated state like Manipur. Adana Prithivida Tokibal Mapam Kuding Tokibasi Amaga Isam Samnaki Mari Lenaraki Hagadi. Prithivida Tokiba Ani Subalanjao, Prithivigi Ani Subalanjao, Natrag Ahan Balanjao si Tokai Tarihaiba Manipur Sidasu, Tukimatic Soki. When we look into the history of Manipur, we find that Manipur was a battlefield during the First Anglo-Burmese War, popularly known as the 7 Years Devastation in Manipur. Ekoina Manipur ki itihas hanggan jinglu dasu ekoina uba pangi madadi khangmangami madadi Manipur se achauba lan phamama battle film oiki madadi First Anglo-Burmese War sahi lesing magachalipan kunmeri degina kuntaru phau da shokna kiba ahanba Anglo-Burmese War sidasu Manipur da achauba maphamam oiki Madu Waikuna Karihaina Kanga Yarganda 7 years devastation in Manipur. Sahitare Kuntapa Hain Kanga. The war led to the liberation of Manipur from the Burmese rule. Again in the Anglo-Manipur War of 1891, the British forces invaded Manipur from 3 sides: Kohima, Silchar and Tamu. The major battles were fought in Southeast Manipur Valley, Thobal, Kaching and Khonsan. Sumai Toraraga Sahitre Kuntapi Matunda Manipur Burmese ki Sasandigi Ninka Tamna Ho Kiba Iho Amadi 1891 da Sahilising Matalipan Marputra Matuda Sona Kiba Anglo Manipur War the Su Maikai Ahunda Lan Soklaki, Madudi, Kohima, Silchar, Amadi Tamu, Burma, Somdeki, Palen, Somdeki Lama. मरुओइबा लांजावदी मणिपुर की खा थंगबा सरुकता खा नोंपोक थंगबा सरुकता थोंनै मफमसिंगदगी थौबाल कक्चिंग खोंजों ngasi pawda aikoina khongjong war memorial hairisi madagi during the second world war prithvi gi ani subalanda thokhiba manung sida manipur was a great battlefield manipur si achobal lanpam amoi the Japanese forces in alliance with the Indian National Army INA of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose invaded Manipur and Naga Hills for the ultimate liberation of India from the British colonial rule. Understanding the crucial strategic position of Manipur, the British forces and the Allies were equally determined to check the advance of the Japanese forces in the hills and valley of Manipur. Second World War, Prithvi Anisuba Lanjao Manusida, Manipur Siyam Namakoi Bajan, Lanpamamoiki. The Japanese amasung Indian National Army Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose ki Indian National Army amadi Japanese ki army sing na pulle hairga Manipur gi sing amasung tampak ta yamna kanba British ki mayokta landar ki madida British sing na sing amasung tampak ta yamna kan ngatung bhot na ki. At that time, Manipur was a native state under the British Indian paramountcy. The Maharaja of Manipur and the state Darbar administered the valley areas of the state, while the hills and the hills tribes were administered by the British political agent with the help of the President of Manipur State Darbar. In early 1940s, nobody, even the British political agent Christopher Grimson, could hardly imagine or anticipate that Manipur and its sleepy capital of Imphal would be a great battlefield of the World War. But the erring Maharaja Sultan Singh, who had the experience of war efforts of the last great war, took up measures for collection of funds for the war. Manipur si matamda Second World War thopa matamda British na panba leba am oiki madda Maharaj amasung Manipur State Darbana Manipur gi tampa ki makaisi jingselami makoina palami adugu singi saru makaisina Manipur State amasung Manipur gi political agenda Palami, Manipur is a big legacy administration and it only Kaidoi Hybrid Ching Tam Highland. Aduna, Sumaina 1940s Adwaida Yam Ingna Signa Palamba, Manipur Ze, Sumaina normally Prithvi Atsobalan Pamama Oil Kani Habizi Kanam, Tanakalude, Matamdugi, political agent Oiva Christopher Grimson, the Pozu, Kalude. Adabu Prithvi Anisuba Lanjao Asigi Atsobalan Pamam Oiki Amasu Madada Sar Sultan Matamdigi Manipur Ining Tona War Vidamakta, Lang Vidamakta, Panmayama Kongaki Habisi. Kangi Japan was an aggressive imperial power in Asia. She had visualized a dream for the conquest of East Asia, including China and South Asia. She exerted her sphere of influence over the Pacific. Japan si matamda Asia gi yamna achoba sakti leba am oirai amasung mana Asia gi leba East Asia gi no problem tangla Asia gi leba myam si China yauna makoina lotion na ba pan na ba na rami. These imperial dreams of Japan made her to come into clash with Great Britain and the United States. Masigi achoba asa leba Japan sina makoina no problem leba Asia single leba singji lotion na bhon na bagi achoba manglan leba Japan sina Great Britain ka lan so na bi achoba maramamu oki amadi America, United Kingdom amadi America. When the war broke out in Europe, Japan made alliance with the Axis powers, namely Germany and Italy. Europe Mahadeshta Prithivi Anishu Balanjao si Thopa Matamda Japan na Axis ki powers singa man Kucham Narabi Mingoy na Harabda Germany amadi Italy. She attacked Pearl Harbor, the American naval base in Hawaii, which made her a belligerent country. She invaded the British colonies in the Southeast Asia and drove away the British forces from there. Mana Matamdi Hawaii, the USA na Palamba adu mana ahanbad attack tawi Pearl Harbor. Then adudagi man British ki mayukta Asia da British ki layriba lam singda attack mana makhata na chatrai adudagi mana British sing si sumtak Turkey the great Indian nationalist leader matamdirgi India ki achoba nationalist leader Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, who was lobbying with Germany and later on Japan, could convince the Japanese forces to help the Indians in their struggle against the British imperialism. Matamdi British ki sasan ki makada lalhaw tona na ba India ki achoba nationalist leader mu oiliba Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose na Germany amadi Japanese sungu convince tore gyan tarai tanari hairaga makoi mating loina India dagi British singu takona honaki. Bose was permitted to raise the INA consisting of the Indian prisoners of war. It was agreed that the imperial forces of Japan and INA would invade India in the north eastern frontier in Manipur and Kohima and liberate the Indians. Adina Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose amasung magi alliance singna janarami madudi Japan amasung INA na pulle haiga Manipur amdi Kohima ramda landarak na ba makoina sangchalai. Ultimately, Burma was easily conquered and the Indian immigrants and the British traders were driven out of Burma. These refugees flocked to Manipur on the journey to their destination in India. Kaina tangda INA amadi Japanese army singna Burma di yam laina khudum chalami amasung British sing taktoklami. INA ki army se India ki war prisoners sing su thadok pire haira magi INA da jawhalamki aduga. Manipur's immediate problem was the influx of the Indian refugees from Burma. Manipur ki yam number oibadi problem oilibadi Burma di refugee mayam changchilapa. Refugee camp was set up at Imphal. Makoi di refugee camps Imphal da Sarami Linkalami. Refugee went to Silchar through the old Kasar road and to Dimapur, the nearest rail head in Assam. The Dagi Imphal digna all Kasar of the Chalari Silchar Yokiba, Natrak Dimapur, now East ki held railway station Olibasi Chatnaba. Asini, the British strategy were greatly concerned at this Japanese threat to the eastern frontier. Manipur was aware of this impending Japanese invasion. British army started deploying their units in Manipur. British singi khudin thorangdi Japanese na nong yatak tholak pasida British sing sigi strategy si yamna pukming phajana jeng salami Japanese sing na landara e basi adala masibu Manipura British ki army se ngak sen bakan na honor ki. Now Japanese bombing of Imphal 1942. The war came to Manipur with the bombing of Imphal, the capital of Manipur, by the Japanese Air Force planes. Manipura Japanese landmis singa bomb thadre harga Imphal the bomb thadre harga Manipur war se horaki. The first bombing was on 10 May 1942, which caused a lot of civilian casualties. Japanese singa Manipura ahanba bomb thadra ki basi 1942 ki May tarik taradani masida micham parja ke asok apan nangki. The civil administration of the state ceased to function. Manipur ki sarkar paliba civil ki office ta thabak toriba mayam sigi apan ba mathok phadra tobu ngundabagi problem mayam mathoki. The town was deserted. The traders and other inhabitants fled to the hills and rural areas. Imphal sarasi itak-taki amadi micham parja kya karbar toba mioi kya singda manda lawai kawaida loyalamda lo na baching toki. The officers of the state government began to function and the town was deserted. Another year raid occurred on 16 May. Atopa nong thakki landar kusina 16 May da muktoki. The pieces of the state government began to function at Coapitel, a suburb of the capital, in the house of the inspector of police, Khomdram Dhanachandra Singh. Matamdagi police officer inspector amagi yumda Khomdram Dhanachandra koba matama adugi police inspector amagi mayumda Coapitel leba amada office thabak toba hoki. Hi. The Johnstone High School started running at Khagempally at the house of the headmaster Konjengbam Gaura Singh. Aduga Johnstone High School su matamdi headmaster Konjengbam Gaura Singh haiba amagi yumda Khagempally da amuk chattaki. After the first bombing, there was a lull for about a year. On 20 and 21st April 1943, there was bombing at Imphal. It did not cause any panic. People were made familiar with air raid precaution. Incidentally, it continued with the matriculation examination of Kolkata University. The examination was held at the residence of the jail member of the Darbar at Moirang Khom. After almost a year, in March 1944, there were air raids on Imphal, heralding the actual invasion of Manipur. Aduga Anishuba bombing sina 1943 gi April date kun amsungkul mathoy da thoki adugo matam da dadi Asoka Panjik ya nangre maram di missing si sibai na year nong thakti landara adi kamai togini kamai na lot kani habisi khara khanglakraba maram da Asoka Panjik ya nangde aduga nuai tabadi matam da Kolkata University matriculation class 10 ge exam ga madu phamaki adubu matam di jail member mo oiriba Manipur Darbar gi morang magi mayumda morang kom da matric exam je pangthokan ki aduga sahi am lerega Manipur da ngasi di Japanese bombing pause kan da herga next mathang da